What is up, everyone? It's Chlorine King here. Thanks for tuning in for another video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that like icon and the bell icon so you get all my videos in the future emailed to you. Man, I am getting a contact high here. Somebody is smoking some weed. Man, that's a weird smell. Anyways, I'm here to talk to the pool professionals today about building consistency in your pool route, why clients like that. You know, one of the main things that I enjoy is being able to build consistency for my clients, making sure the service on the same day and generally the same ballpark of time. And as I'm speaking this, I'm actually tearing myself apart because the pool business has been getting so busy for me. I'm starting to have to clean pools again. And unfortunately, the clients' pools that I take care of, they're sort of all over the place as far as I still service them on the same day, but the times, for instance, I'm going to do a pool inspection about an hour away from my home, and this is the time I normally go out and service my pools, being Tuesday. I got a couple clients I got to go clean their pools, but they're going to get serviced later in the day because my schedule dictates elsewhere. I can't stand that, and I appreciate you guys, clients, if you guys are watching. But I get this time and time again when I go out on estimates about clients not having consistency with their pool company. People come out on Saturdays, Fridays, Mondays, just whenever they feel like it to service the pool. And the thing is the clients like privacy in their backyard. So they want to be able to count on you showing up at the same time. So if they want to, do whatever they're going to do, skinny dip, sunbathe topless or whatever, they can count on you not showing up when that time they go out there. So it's not an awkward thing for the clients and pool professionals. They might have guests during that time and they know, Eric's going to come out on Tuesday between 10 and 12. It's all right to have friends over at 3 o'clock to do a pool party, because if you show up during that pool party wanting to clean the pool, they're probably going to be pissed off. And so it's one of those things where it's very important to make sure you're building that client or consistency for each client. Of course, there's always exceptions, bad weather, sick days, stuff like that. But if you're just willy-nilly choosing what time of day you want to go out there and service the pool, rest assured your client's going to be a little dissatisfied, and it's going to be one thing on the con tick mark when they're going over and evaluating your company as far as are they wanting to choose someone else that's going to be more consistent. So guys, just make sure you're more consistent with your clients. With everything you do, communication is key and consistency is key. So hopefully you guys like that video. Stay tuned for more, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Have a great day, everyone.